Hi there, Chris from Idiomatic here today to talk to you about how Idiomatic's analysis can supercharge your QA for agents and the feedback that you're able to give them. Most of our customers can look at a satisfaction score to understand how their agents are doing, but then when giving feedback, have to review individual cases and give specific feedback for where communication or actions broke down for a specific case. With Idiomatic, you can do so much more by identifying specifically what are the types of cases that are driving negative experiences for customers where agents may need to be trained better. Let's take a look at an example on our sandbox of a hotel's customer support tickets. We can see here that we have the volume of tickets coming in, and we have that ticket volume broken down by categories, and then within those categories by specific ticket issues as Idiomatic has broken down all of this data for us. We can segment this data for more advanced segments to try to understand where are the negative experiences happening for customers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to segment for 1 and 2 star reviews on my customer satisfaction surveys. I can now go down to this list and I can see what are the top drivers of 1 and 2 star reviews of negative experiences for customers as they're reaching out. Cleanliness as being the number 1 category. I can either drill into these categories, drill into cleanliness and see what's causing 1 and 2 star reviews, or I can get rid of the categories up here and I can see what are the top drivers, specific drivers of negative experiences as rated by the customer. Check-in process being complicated. Maybe we need to train agents how to streamline and simplify the check-in process. Dirty bathroom. Maybe there's not much we can do for that one in terms of QA. We can feed that feedback back to the maintenance team, right? Poor customer service experience, of course, that's something that we can feed back to agents. Cost is too expensive. Again, maybe we feed this back to our product or our marketing team because agents don't really control the cost depending on how this business works. But you can see by going down this list, we can really hone in on where there are poor experiences happening and where we can give that feedback, not just on individual cases, but on types of cases that are likely to lead to that negative experience. We can also switch this view from volume to be a satisfaction score view or a missed star view, right? So this is telling us where there are the most missed opportunities for a 5-star experience as rated by the customer. So when you think about missed stars, you think about issue by issue or category by category. If I add back the categories, where are the lowest ranked, kind of issues where customers are just consistently unhappy, but also how frequently are they occurring? If I create great 5-star experiences on something that's down here, that's great, but maybe it just doesn't happen that much to really matter to most customers. So that's what this scatter plot is for. It's really helpful in telling us where are the most missed opportunities happening, both by volume and by average score. And we see that something like cleanliness and billing invoices are both very high in terms of both volume and in terms of how many on average their stars are missing from a 5-star experience. So I can drill into cleanliness. Again, I can look at that scatter plot and I can see, within this, dirty, non-specific, but dirty bathroom is high volume and high opportunities for missed stars, and you see indeed almost 2 stars missing, so average score of about 3 stars. I can either read these tickets or I can click this button and I can have Idiomatic's AI read these tickets and tell me exactly what are the specific commonalities or sub-themes here that are generating these missed opportunities for a 5-star experience. So this is just a much more actionable way of giving feedback to agents, not just, hey, you messed up on one ticket, but hey, here are the types of tickets I want you to pay attention to, or I want you to get some training on, or go follow around a more experienced agent and see how they're handling complaints about dirty bathrooms to try to improve our satisfaction and our customer experiences. If you'd like to see Idiomatic's analysis on your customer service data and how you can use it to supercharge the types of feedback and make it more actionable that you give agents, please get in touch.